So we're at the midway point of the season. A warm welcome to all of you. It's John Champion and Jim Beglin on commentary duty today.
Well, I think we're very fortunate to be sitting here watching this one, John. I'm really looking forward to what should be a really exciting match.
Plays this forward. Long ball over the top. Just dived in there. Free kick given. Plays an early ball in. It's a bit too long, that one.
Well, what was required then was a little more patience. He didn't have to cross it so early.
Oh, he's maybe kept the ball a bit too long there. This is very pleasing on the eye. Here's a strike. And the keeper's there to claim it.
What an effort that was. He's done very well from that distance.
He's got in. We're in the 15th minute. Cut out in a promising position. Crosses towards the centre.
Well, they're just not realising their potential. They have to find an end product.
Wants to get this forward. Cuts it out.
Well, it's a sharper cutting edge they need in front of goal.
It's on for him. Got it. Plays this forward. A strong run, looking to make things happen. Looking to thread it through. Could be a chance now. That's the end of the danger for now. And that's good defensive play. Picking up the loose ball, putting it into touch. The keeper, I think, will be relieved as well. Now the chance! Pushed away.
But just how wasteful was that?
Keeper got his hand to it. Hits a ball in. So another corner. Now he's ready for a shot. Just over 15 minutes remaining in the first half. He's got in. He launches it forward. Got it. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Wants to get this forward. It's on for him. He plays the ball out wide. No, didn't quite get the distance he wanted on it. He hits it. He so nearly exploited that mistake.
Oh, he did really well to force the mistake by pressuring them like that. That's great grit for you.
He plays it through, shoots here.
Oh, that was such a good chance.
5 minutes before half-time, and it's level. And he'll shoot here. Still in play! Well saved by the keeper.
Oh, he's done ever so well there. That's a wonderful, wonderful save.
He sends it in. Got it. Oh, he got on the ball. He crosses it in, and they've hooked it clear. There goes the whistle, and it's half-time.
Plenty of highlights, loads of talking points from that first half. One side seemed to be in control for long periods, but we'll have to wait and see if that continues after the restart.
Neither side conceding a goal then. It is 0-0. No, it's been cut out. Sloppy pass, intercepted. And the long ball reaching the other side. Long pass forward. Plays this forward. It's come through to him. Space on the flank. Here's a cross, and no danger there from that cross. He has a go. Good strike, but straight at the keeper.
Well, look, his odds from that sort of range were never great, and yet he almost produced a very, very good finish.
And he'll shoot. Really good try, but no goal.
Oh, listen, to come that close was a really, really good attempt, and judging by the crowd's reaction, they thought he'd done enough too.
Into the last half hour of the game. Intercepted. It's on for him. He's got in. He's on a real charge.
Well, listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
Deliberate foul.
Well, I think it might be a touch too far to have a go at goal, but I've been proven wrong in the past and maybe again.
Ball in. Wants to get this forward. Chance. No, that won't be finding its target. Tries to slide it past the defence. There's a possibility here for a shot. He really should have put that away.
Well, he really should have opened the scoring there. Still a very tense game.
Here's a ball in. That's a throw. We're into the final quarter of an hour. Oh, mistimed lunge there. Gives away a free kick. Out from the breast pocket comes a yellow card from the referee. Manchester United have this free kick.
Well, it's a bit far out, but you never know. He might just make something of this.
Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. And he's still going. Mistime challenge. Looked worse than it was. Free kick. The ball's out. Goal kick. And that'll be a throw. Now, the pass cut out. It's well cleared. Oh, that's a vital block. Neither side able to find a goal here with the final whistle approaching. Can he get the ball in? He shoots there, and it's taken with some style. That might well turn out to be the match winner now.
All goals are welcome, but when they come at a time like that, they're priceless.
That is a vintage goal.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
They have their lead now, but can they hold out for these last few minutes?
Oh, that's a huge goal at this stage, but I suspect they're going to have to dig deep for the next few minutes to try and see this one out.
Poor ball that's intercepted. Wants to get this forward. Good run down the side. Now, what next? The final whistle goes. A real nail-biter this one. We had some really tense moments right to the end, but the team managed to hold out though.
Yeah, and I think after that solitary second half,